How's it and aloha? It's your Unc. I just need these two ingredients to make a very simple dish. I had this way back when in the 80s in a Chinese restaurant in downtown Honolulu. And it was so simple. But obviously, back then, we can get live shrimp for cheap. And they did that. It was so good. So I won't do this with live shrimps now because, you know, I'd rather eat them like just steam and boil and then just eat it. But I can use dead shrimps like these that you can buy anywhere in any place, and I'll show you how to make a very simple dish with just these two ingredients and some condiments. All right, here we go. If you like it, please like and subscribe because it's a super simple dish and it's gonna be very wonderful for your family and looks amazing too. All right, please like and subscribe. Bless up. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna have a running water because we're gonna devein the shrimps. It's pretty simple to do. You're just gonna take scissors, cut the center of the shrimp, and then just take it out, just like that. All right, let me show you one more time. I'm gonna take the shrimp, I'm gonna cut it, and you're gonna use the running water. See that vein right here? You're gonna take it out. I mean, you don't have to do it, but it looks better. And why would you want to eat doo-doo anyway? Right? And usually I cut off these whiskers too, because now if it's a live one, I wouldn't do it, but that one's whatever. See? Right there. You can use your knife to do it too, but it's like much harder to do. It's very fast to do it. I actually don't know how I can do this without scissors, because how do you do it with a knife? I don't think it's even possible. The bottom one, you don't have to do as much. You don't have to get rid of it, but yep. Just like that. And we're pretty much done. It's a very simple dish. Literally, I can do it in like a few minutes. And it tastes so good. Probably never had shrimp like this before. I guess it's called deveining the shrimp, right? Aha! Whatever you call it. Nice. And we're done. On to the next step. Well, the next step is the garlic. Now that the shrimp is done, all we're gonna do is basically mince the garlic. So, if you want to use pre-made garlic, like from different supermarkets that pre-mince them. That's great. All right, that's like, it's enough. You can see the work I done there. Humanly minced. My shrimp is still here. I didn't do anything to it. Now I'm gonna start preparing it to be steamed. I have a plate. Now I'm gonna start to lay it out. Just like this. Now the more shrimp you have, the better you can lay it out. Since we kind of ate already. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Good food. Your uncle loves to eat. So like there. And what you want to do, I'm going to put the garlic in the middle. So simple. I'm not kidding. Garlic in the middle. And then they charge a lot for this dish, like in the restaurants, because it's kind of a lot of work, but it's just pretty much easy work. And now after you're done, a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of sesame oil, even though it's gonna basically steam off, but you still want to put some. Soy sauce. That's pretty much it. And then what you want to do is just basically steam it just the way it is. And you can put scallions and cilantros on top, but the way the dish it is already good. And you just have to steam it. So let's go and do the steaming part. Right, the next step is so simple. All we're gonna do is put in the shrimp for a few minutes and the food is ready to eat. Yeah, I put that in there because it fits. And all you do, just let it steam. And I'll show you the results afterwards. It's been about maybe a minute or two. You're gonna go look. You can't see it right now, but look. It is steaming in there. Do you see this? That means it's cooking. All the stuff is steaming the way it's supposed to be. Moment of truth. The moment of truth, eating it. I like spicy food, so my doni and my peppers. And I'm gonna go try it. So try one without anything. Yeah. Ooh, hot. Let me go the other way. This is the best part. The head's the best part. Mmm. Mmm. I can taste the shrimp and the garlic. So good and so easy to make. One more. Wow, ouchie. This time, hot sauce. My goodness, the shrimp's essence comes through. Look at that. Mmm. The garlic is to die for. My goodness. It tastes so good. There it is. Such a simple dish. Garlic and shrimp. And it's fabulous. Please like and subscribe to Burpee Uncle Yoga's channel, or Burpee Yoga Uncle's channel, or Uncle Burpee Yoga's channel. Anyway, you know where we're at. Come and get me. Bless up.